Okay, before I get into this video, I just want to say that the SongSync app is now available for download and installing on Android devices only because I don't have a Mac and it requires a Mac to build the app. I'll post a link in the description to go back to the other video, and in that video's description is where the Dropbox link will be. You just download it, tap install, and Android will take it from there. I'm gonna have to start applying to college soon, and for that I need a high school and college transcript, letters of recommendation, proof of immunization. Okay, I'll stop. Resume, SAT and ACT scores, 3 short answers, an essay, and a $75 non-refundable application fee. I'd like to stand out amongst the competition, and one way to do so is by making an online portfolio. I wanted to make a React web app that would include links to various social media and 3 big buttons signifying coding, running, and creating. I would like those buttons to go to their respective web pages. I would like those buttons to go to their respective web pages, and on those web pages have different cards that the user can expand to give more details about a project I've done. And with color, animations, and a whole lot of love, I think we can give it some character. Oh, and I wanted it to be serverless. So what is serverless? What does it even mean? Well, according to Medium, despite the name, it does not actually involve running code without servers. The name serverless computing is used because I'm not the one who coined the buzzword, okay? You can't blame me for the clickbaited thumbnail. Story time. Traditionally, developers would pay monthly to have an entire server dedicated to a website. Say $1 for a small server, $5 for a medium server, and $10 for a big server. The bigger the server, the more traffic it can handle. This is nice, but it also means that somebody has to be in charge of scaling those servers. If there's too much traffic, it overloads the server, and then nobody can get to your website. If the server is too big, then you may be paying too much for that service. So what if there were some sort of service that only charged the developer every time someone visited that website? That way, it could scale by itself, and the developer wouldn't have to worry about it. Okay, yes, for one portfolio website, this is like the first world problem for all first world problems. The thing that I like about it is that I don't have to pay a cent when nobody goes to my website. If only this were a thing when I was building the Rockwell network. But the serverless architecture really shines when you think about having thousands of servers with millions of requests per day. So long story short, I was really confused about how to set it all up. I had a bunch of hiccups trying to get my domain name on it. If you're really interested in all the code, you can check out the GitHub down in the description. I've got a Medium post also linked down there if you want to learn more about my struggle. Be sure to check out my website and enjoy this 30-second montage of me being confused while coding. This isn't actually a microphone, it's a Sharpie cap.